This is DreameBot Z10 Pro, a robot vacuum and mop that empties itself. It comes with a dust disposal base and a dust bag of 4,000 milliliters to store dust for up to 2 months. There are 4 suction levels to choose from on the app. Having a vacuum with the suction of 4,000 Pascal or work as quietly as 80 decibel is totally up to you. When the power is low, it recharges itself and resumes the cleanup.
Returning to the dock to charge. Charging.
With LiDAR navigation, Z10 Pro scans your home using lasers. Through the map built on the app, you get to let it clean certain areas or skip certain areas. Whenever an obstacle is detected, it automatically goes another way. Oops, did I tell you it mops as well? DreameBot Z10 Pro, engineered by Dreamy.
Introducing DEEBOT X1 Turbo, the brand new multifunction DEEBOT from ECOVACS. Okay, Eco, let's get to know my home.
Okay, I am coming. I am creating the map for your home now.
The Pioneer IV3D enhanced recognition capability, equipped with supercomputing power, achieving accurate obstacle avoidance at home.
Mapping is complete. Please check the app. I will keep learning and improving by updating obstacle avoidance data. More efficient every time.
Okay, Eco, follow my voice.
No problem. I will start cleaning now.
The exclusive 4-stage deep cleaning system with 5,000 paw suction power. The second generation of Osmo Turbo technology. Scrub away tough coffee stains, even after 72 hours. Unleash the ultimate cleaning power. A masterpiece perfectly crafted by Jacob Jensen Design. The Auto Clean station can automatically refill water, wash, and dry mop cloths.
The DEEBOT automatically refills its water tank. Start cleaning mopping pads.
Tomorrow's robots today. DEEBOT X1 Turbo, ECOVACS brand new multi-function DEEBOT.